Hey y'all, I'm Amanda with Love Crafts Decor, and spring is right around the corner, so in today's video I will be showing you how I am updating my living room to all new spring decor. Some of these items you can find in my Etsy shop for sale, and I will link that in the description below, so be sure to go down and check out my shop and see if there's any items in there that you would like to buy for your own home. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.